What is up, you guys? It's your favorite producer, Don, and today gonna show you how I make trippy boom bap beats with the machine. Let's get into it.
Ron got the recipe.
So the first thing I do is set my tempo, set my BPM. Once I got that locked in, I can move on to my next step, which is selecting a sample. Now, you don't have to put a sample down. You can put down some keys, a bass line, string part, whatever you want to do. But for the sake of this video, I went ahead and chose Native Instruments Konkat player. They got some dope samples in there. Recorded about 4 bars, and now I'm ready to move on to the next step, which is selecting the boom bap drums. All right, so this is the part that you want to have on repeat. Slow it down, pause it, do what you got to do. I spend mad time, a lot of time selecting the right drums. I go through sound pack to sound pack to VST, tweaking presets, all that kind of stuff, right? But for today, what I did was go to my go-to, which is Sierra Groove from the Native Instruments Machine Expansion Pack. I've been using it from 2016 to now. It's fire, go get it. Once I open my pack up, I immediately clear everything out and I start from scratch. So you might be thinking, how do I get my beats to swing like that? Kind of be in time and off time. Well, to be honest, I play them by just playing flams. If you know what flams are, cool. If you don't, I'm gonna break it down really quickly. In a nutshell, a flam is a really soft note played right before the beat, right before the beat. So instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 4, now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the flam, and that's exactly what I'm doing on the machine. Almost like that, yeah, kind of like that. The drums are laid down like flams, but they're separated because you got a kick, snare, hi-hat, and even an open hat. So you're playing those notes like flams, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're hitting like flams. You don't gotta be lazy and try to make your drum swing. You definitely don't want to quantize your drum because you're gonna lose all the swing from it. So just really lock in with a metronome, lock in with your drums, play the slow grooves, just practice. All right, so next up, how do you get your nice, crispy, or your dirty boom bap drums from Maschine into your DAW, from Maschine into Pro Tools, from Maschine into FOs, whatever you're using, right? The answer is very simple. And before I give that to you, I want to say one rule: garbage in, garbage out. If you played your drums garbage, not in time, you didn't go into your piano roll and turn things down or turn things up like I've been telling y'all, then it's going to be garbage when you print your drums into your DAW or record them into your DAW. Same exact thing applies. So make sure before you go to this next step, your level's all right, you're not clipping, nothing's hot, nothing's distorted, you're good to go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is organize your tracks. Label them: sample, bass, kick, snare, hi-hat, open hat, percussion part. You want to be as organized as possible for this part. Then I'm going to change my input to match my output in Maschine. That's it. Change your input in whatever DAW you're using to match your output in Maschine. After that, I solo each drum individually in Maschine and record that drum individually into my DAW. Once I've got all the tracks I need, I deactivate Maschine, and now I can work with my audio files and mix them or manipulate them however I choose to.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content. Like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know how you feel in the comments, man. I really appreciate it. Peace.